Guys, what's going on? Remember I told you about the shoes earlier? It's a new year, new shoes. What we got?
All right, grandma, and these are the steel toe. All right, this is what I'm gonna get. I'm gonna rock these. This is what you need, man. Spraying, pre-spray and stuff that's gonna get all over this. This might last, I say 6 months. Probably not that much. Probably say 3 months. Let's see. But this is what you need, man. You need steel toes. Steel toes. Leather, padded collar and tongue, oil and slip resistant, outsole, and steel toe. Slip resistant, wide width, oil resistant.
That's what we need, man.
Definitely need a straight fit leg. All right,
We don't do no skinny jeans around here. We don't do that.
all right. So we need a good pants. And you know what I think? I think every carpet cleaner van should come with an extra pair of socks.
Yeah, you need a good pair of socks, especially them wet days.
When you know what I'm saying, your foot get wet.
Ain't nothing more uncomfortable than a carpet cleaner with wet socks. So you need steel toe shoes. You need really thick
Performance work socks, all right, and a good black pants, all right. Of course, you need your friggin' vest, white beaters. This is just some other personal stuff, but this is what you really need. You need the pants, the shoes, steel toe, and you need the performance socks.
and you're in the game. Bam!